is in the building.
It's Mr. Steal Your Girl. It's Mr. Steal Your Girl. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Let go. Bottoms up, ever see your cup? Got a couple bottles, but a couple ain't enough. Bottoms up, throw your hands up. Tell security we bout to tear this club up. Bottoms up, pocket full of green. Girl, you know I love the way you shake it in them jeans. Bottoms up, throw your hands up. Bottoms up, bottoms up. My vision's blurred, my words slurred. It's jam-packed, a million girls, and I ain't tryna lead up. We drunk, so let me be your alcohol hero. Calling all the girls, do you hear me? All around the world, city to city. Cheers to the girls, throw a deuce to the guys. Now I got a chicken and a goose in the ride, getting loose in the ride. Hey, ass nigga, you can move to the move to the side. Bottoms up, ever see you cup? Got a couple bottles, but a couple ain't enough. Bottoms up, throw your hands up. Bottoms up.
Can I get that Tron? Can I get that Remy? Can I get that Coke? Can I get that Henny? Can I get that Margarita on the rock box? Can I get salt all around that rum tray? I was like, yo, Trey, do you think you could buy me a bottle of rosé? Okay, let's get it now. I'm with a bad bitch, he's with his friends. I don't say hi, I say keys to the Benz. Keys to the Benz, keys to the Benz. Motherfucking right, yeah, B to the 10. If a bitch try to get cute, I'm a snuffer. Double lot of money, yeah, done y'all fucker. Then y'all fucker. Then I'ma go and get my Louis Vuitton fucker. Excuse me, I'm sorry, I'm really such a lady. I rep Young Money, you know Slim, baby. And we be doing donuts while we waiting, let's be 80. We give a lot of money to the babies out in Haiti. Yelling all around the world, do you hear me? Do you like my body? And a Nicki.
If you're coming with me, really coming with me, you gon' get some girls and bring them to me. If you're coming with me, really coming with me, you let her put her hands in your pants. Be my little friend, be my little friend, be my little friend. Let her put her hands in your pants. Be my little friend. If you're coming with me, really coming with me, you let her put her hands in your pants.
It's that Sean, yeah. Twins, that's just what I'm into. And it ain't just for the sex, it's because my ex fucked up my mental. One night she brought a girlfriend through. She started doing what my girl don't do. Everything that I ever wanted, ever needed in a girl. Let me tell you how freak came through. Bygones, we down to sing Calgon. Now we don't need to speak and I live in pieces. I fuck with two, not one, gone. If you don't invite one in, she number one, you number two. You number one, never number two. If you let another bitch come and take your two, that's you.
If you coming with me, really coming with me, you gon' get some girls and bring them to me. If you coming with me, really coming with me, you let her put her hands in your pants. Be my little friend, be my little friend, be my little friend. Let her put her hands in your pants. Be my little friend. If you coming with me, really coming with me, you let her put her hands in your pants.
Looking at me, she's a flirt. All night creeper, let her know I put in work. But it's something I gotta teach her. Bust it open, bring it back. I'll be ready to attack. Got an automatic weapon, it go blast. She's a wifey in the streets, sweet like a dove. Key in her ignition, now she rolling with a gun. She know that I keep her sprung, and you know where I'm from. It's that Chi-Town boy, and I got these honeys speaking in tongues. In tongues. In tongues. In tongues. I got them all speaking in tongues.
She be like, Ludacris, don't nobody give it to me like you do. I cast a spell on them. They be think I'm doing voodoo. Can't understand the words you saying. You need a translator. I aim before I shoot, then I assassinate.
She know that I'm a heavyweight, more money than collection play. She tired and she sliding on me like a tidal wave. I mean, shawty's so fine, you need to pray for her. She yelling, but I don't know what she's saying. She's speaking languages that I ain't never heard. Call her Dirty Diana, man, the way she make it jerk. She know that I keep her sprung, and you know where I'm from. It's that Chi-Town boy, and I got these honeys speaking in tongues. In tongues. In tongues. In tongues. I got them all speaking in. Shawty, what you say? Shawty, what you say? Shawty, what
You know a nigga made a meal last week. A nigga just closed a new deal last week. Just had my 17th number one last week. That mean a nigga made 4 mil last week. Girls in my pen here, let me spend a little money. Girls in my pen here, let me spend a little money. Girls in my, girls in my, girls in my pen here, let me spend a little money. Not that on the road with Gucci, so I missed you last week. That means I'm gonna pay you triple, pop a band on your nip. You know I know just when the riddle, I didn't get you last week. Tell the bartender need a bottle of rosé for every pretty female in this club. I brought my gold Louis back with them bundles of them hundreds. I'm the one that shake the ass, the best just might become my baby mama. Girls in the strip club, y'all my baby. All the girls in the strip club, y'all my baby. All the girls in the strip club, y'all my baby. All the girls in the strip club, y'all my baby. A-Town is where I'm from, yeah, the home of the strip club. Yeah, we came up on this shit, that's why we the biggest stripper. Ain't it funny, damn, everybody loves a stripper. That's why niggas be taking they main girl to see her.
As long as we tell nobody, tell your girls you leave and I'll meet you in the lobby. I'm so cold, yeah, you that hot toddy. Hot toddy. Hot toddy. I'm so cold, I'm so good. 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 She said she wanna make me better. She wanna make me better.
Wait a minute, motherfucker.
Call me King Ho, copy. They call me King Ho, copy. They call me King Ho, copy. They call me King Ho, copy. Pickballin' is my hobby. So much so they think I'm down with the Illuminati. My watch to illuminate, my pockets are naughty. But I'm God body, I better ask somebody. I was born to God, I made myself a king, which means I downgraded to a human being. You was born to goddess, I made you my queen, which means we upgraded to Louis the 13th. Hot toddy, her poppy like cognac, her mama like herb tea. We burnt a couple of sacks, and as the tea steeped, I creeped all in a TV. We did it Indian style, had the girl speaking in tongue. She like young, you hung, what you done. Stop it before you wake up my mama, my And now that you arrive, it's time that I go. I'm so cold, I'm so cold. I'm like, nobody is my hobby. We freaking this ain't cheating as long as we